I'm Dave Jackson, and I am the inventor and owner of CaveSim. I can't afford a spaceship. I can't go into outer space, but I can explore what's under the ground. And it's kind of like exploring other worlds. We get to teach kids to care for incredibly fragile places, but they have fun doing it. We're not sitting them down and having them hear a lecture about caves. They're actually in a cave. It's got computer scoring. They just love it. But at the same time, they're learning about caring for, they're learning about conserving fragile places.
It's like an actual cave, and there's a lot of parts that it feels like you're actually an actual explorer.
Kids love CaveSim. It's like a kid magnet, but they also really love all of the other activities that come with CaveSim, including the cave rescue stretcher, the squeeze box, and the vertical caving tower, and all these other lessons that we teach them with these cool hands-on manipulatives.
I really like the squeeze box. You got to measure stuff, do some math and thinking, and you also had to kind of really like squeeze in there. Just was really fun for me.
CaveSim allows for kids to learn things in a different way than they normally do, and in a way that makes them really engaged.
To talk with us about different options, including leasing, just reach out. We're eager to serve you, and we're excited to see how we can make your organization even more successful by partnering with CaveSim.